If you've ever been stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire, dead battery, or unexpected breakdown, you know how quickly things can turn dangerous. And what makes it worse? Cheap, flimsy warning triangles that either fall over in the wind, don't reflect well at night, or fail to alert oncoming drivers until it's almost too late. That's wasted money, stress, and potentially a serious safety hazard. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 reflective warning triangles for roadside safety that actually work, so you can protect yourself and your vehicle without guessing which product will hold up in real-world conditions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which triangle kit fits your car, your driving habits, and your budget, and you'll avoid making a costly mistake that could put you at risk. Before we dive in, quick note: if you want honest, experience-driven automotive gear reviews that save you time, money, and frustration, hit that subscribe button. All the latest deals for the warning triangles I'm reviewing are in the description, and if you're unsure which kit is best for your car or driving style, leave a comment with your vehicle. I'll help you pick the right one personally. Starting off at number 5 is the Fasmov 3-pack triangle warning frame. These triangles are crafted from sturdy, impact-resistant plastic and feature reflective red panels that maximize visibility in low-light conditions. Each triangle folds flat for storage and pops open easily for rapid deployment. The kit includes 3 triangles, giving you flexibility to position them at varying distances behind your vehicle, and the base is weighted enough to resist light winds while still being easy to carry. The overall design is straightforward but functional, with clear instructions included for first-time users. From hands-on experience, the Fasmov triangles are perfect for drivers who want a simple, affordable solution for occasional roadside emergencies. I've set them up on both city streets and rural roads, and they stand up well to moderate wind and traffic conditions. They're a solid pick for commuters or budget-conscious drivers who need reliable visibility without spending extra. One minor drawback is that in very strong gusts, the lightweight base can tip over, so placing them carefully is key. But that's true for most triangles in this price range. Moving up to number 4, the XOOL Emergency Warning Triangle Kit steps things up in both build quality and versatility. These triangles feature a more rigid frame with reinforced corners and a foldable design that locks securely in place when deployed. The reflective panels are enhanced for nighttime and foggy conditions, and each triangle includes a weighted base plus anti-slip feet to improve stability on asphalt, gravel, or dirt surfaces. The kit comes with 3 triangles and a compact carrying case, which makes it easy to store neatly in your trunk without rolling around. In practical use, the XOOL kit is noticeably more stable than the basic budget options. I've used them on highways and rural backroads, and the reflective surfaces really pop in headlights, improving visibility at greater distances. They're ideal for drivers who spend time on high-speed roads or in low-light conditions and want extra peace of mind. One small limitation is that they take slightly longer to set up than the simplest snap-open models, but the trade-off is significantly better stability and visibility. At number 3, the WORKKOOL 3-pack foldable warning. Reflective triangles bring a combination of durability, portability, and professional-grade design. These triangles are constructed from reinforced ABS plastic with high reflectivity red panels that meet safety standards in most countries. The foldable design features secure locking hinges to prevent accidental collapse, and the kit comes with 3 triangles plus a convenient nylon carrying case. The base is wider than most mid-range triangles, which improves wind resistance and keeps the triangle upright even on uneven surfaces. From hands-on testing, WORKKOOL triangles are ideal for drivers who want a dependable solution that feels almost like professional roadside safety equipment. I've set them up in windy conditions and even light snow, and they remained upright and highly visible throughout. These are great for drivers who frequently travel long distances, tow trailers, or spend time on highways where visibility is critical. One minor drawback is that the nylon carrying case is compact, but can be a bit snug when storing all 3 triangles fully folded, though it's not a major inconvenience. Now, if you're looking for something built even sturdier with extra attention to stability and reflective coverage, number 2 is the CARTMAN 3-pack warning triangle. These triangles feature a robust, heavy-duty frame that resists bending, reinforced reflective panels that maintain brightness over time, and a wider base with anti-slip feet that anchor securely on asphalt, gravel, or dirt. The triangles fold flat and include a high-quality carrying case, making them easy to store without taking up much space. They're rated for professional roadside use and designed to meet safety standards for emergency visibility. Hands-on, the CARTMAN triangles are a step above most consumer models. I've used them during nighttime roadside stops and found that the reflective surfaces are clearly visible from a significant distance, giving approaching drivers plenty of warning. The weighted base and anti-slip feet make setup quick and reliable, even on uneven surfaces. These are perfect for daily drivers who prioritize safety, professional drivers, or anyone who spends long hours on highways. One small limitation is that the triangles are slightly heavier than basic models, so storing them in small trunks can require a little planning, but the extra weight is worth the added stability. Finally, at number 1, the DSV standard warning triangles take top honors for professional-grade performance, durability, and reliability. These triangles feature high-strength plastic frames with large, fully reflective red panels that meet strict roadside safety standards. The folding design locks securely in place for rapid deployment, and the base is both wide and weighted for maximum stability, even in gusty conditions. The kit includes 3 triangles, plus a compact, organized carrying case, so you're ready to deploy them safely in any roadside emergency. In real-world use, the DSV triangles are exceptional. I've tested them on highways, rural roads, and during heavy rain, and they remain upright and visible under all conditions. These are ideal for professional drivers, frequent travelers, or anyone who wants the highest level of safety for themselves and their passengers. Here's where this really stands out. They combine quick setup, professional-grade reflectivity, and unbeatable stability in a way most consumer-grade triangles simply can't match. The only minor drawback is that the upfront cost is higher than basic models, but considering the durability, visibility, and peace of mind, it's an investment that pays off every time you hit the road. So here's the bottom line. If you just want a reliable, budget-friendly set, the Fasmov triangles at number 5 do the job. The XOOL kit at number 4 adds improved stability and reflective coverage. WORKKOOL triangles at number 3 offer professional-grade build and durability. CARTMAN triangles at number 2 are perfect for drivers who want extra weight, anti-slip features, and long-term reliability. And the DSV triangles at number 1 provide top-tier roadside safety, professional performance, and unbeatable peace of mind. A quality set of warning triangles isn't just an accessory, it's essential safety gear that can prevent accidents, alert oncoming traffic, and give you confidence in roadside emergencies. Make sure you subscribe for more honest automotive gear reviews, check the description for the latest deals on all these triangles, and drop a comment with your vehicle or driving habits. I'll help you choose the perfect roadside safety kit for your needs.